Welcome everyone. Bonjour à tous. Hola a todos. In this first emission, we will do two courses for you. The original Cesar Salad and a pasta of my creation. The original Cesar Salad was created in Mexico, in the city of Tijuana. This will be some of the ingredients that we will need. Croutons, a spoon of mustard, grated parmesan cheese, some lettuce, Maggi seasoning, Worcester sauce, extra virgin olive oil, 3 fresh eggs, lime juice, a clove of garlic, and some anchovies. In Mexico, in some of the restaurants, Caesar salad is prepared by the side of your table, in this type of wood bowl. So let's start cooking first the garlic. We will smash the garlic piece by piece until you get a nice thin paste. Try to spread the garlic through all your salad wood bowl. You have to work your spoon against the wood. To make this process easier, I slice the garlic in thin pieces and create the paste. And next, we're gonna put the anchovies, 5 fillets of anchovies, and we're gonna do the same process. We will start working one piece at a time. What we want is, again, to have a paste. This process can take some minutes, but I assure you that the result is gonna be just amazing. Patience is one of the keys. You can add just a little touch of extra virgin olive oil. And now, 1 spoon of mustard. I personally use yellow mustard, but some of our friends use Dijon mustard. You can use it, change a little bit the original taste. So I would recommend you to first try it with the yellow mustard. Make sure that everything is well mixed. After that, lime juice, half a lime. Again, incorporate the lime to the paste that you already have with the mustard, the anchovies, and the garlic. After that, we're gonna bring some extra olive oil. Don't be shy. Mix the olive oil. I recommend you to use extra virgin olive oil because the taste of the olive oil is really amazing. A good olive oil will make your salad even better. You will use around 1/3 of a cup of olive oil in this recipe. Once this is done, put the 3 raw eggs that we have. I'm gonna mix them. We will put the eggs into the bowl. We will start mixing. Make sure that everything is well incorporated. And now we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Incorporate everything with the Worcester sauce. And then we're gonna put some seasoned Maggi. You can find seasoned Maggi in any supermarket. We go with 2 tablespoons. I kept some anchovies on the side just to present the Caesar salad. And now we're gonna incorporate our lettuce when our pasta will be ready, so we can put everything on the table for you. So we are ready to start doing our pasta sauce. Let me introduce our ingredients for today. 100 grams of fresh Swiss cheese, some mushrooms. We're gonna take some shiitake mushrooms and some oysters mushrooms, some parsley for decoration, butter, pepper, salt, some fresh cream, some sour cream, parmesan cheese, bacon, prosciutto, fresh prosciutto. The bacon we already fried it, and we fry some of the pieces of the prosciutto for decoration. Yellow pepper, orange pepper, and red pepper. Some green onions, 1 clove of garlic minced, some fresh prosciutto that we will cook with the pasta. This is our fresh pasta, fettuccine, 400 grams. In this case, we have a fresh pasta that will take around 6 to 10 minutes to be ready. So let's go now to the stove and start prepare this amazing sauce. We will start by adding some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna start with our garlic. We're gonna start with the garlic. We're gonna just roast a little bit the garlic. And this smell of the garlic starting to be roasted with the olive oil is just magnific. So once my garlic is already roasted, I'm gonna put the onions in, the green onions in. Remember, 5 green onions, sliced minced. After my green onions, I'm gonna put the peppers. I will just slightly cook my peppers with the onions. Don't leave it too much time because remember that it's gonna boil with the cream, so they will keep cooking through the process. So next step, I will start to incorporate my mushrooms. Shiitake mushroom first, oyster mushrooms. Now it's time for a little seasoning, so I will take some pepper, fresh pepper, and some salt. Once the prosciutto is in, now it's time for me to put fried bacon. And I will stir my pan, so I will incorporate all the ingredients. At this time, before I put the cream, it's time for me to put the pasta into boil. I'm gonna wait until my cream starts to heat. I will stir my pan with a spoon so the sour cream will become incorporated to my fresh cream. I'm going to start slightly putting my Swiss cheese. I will stir so the cheese will melt. My pasta is ready. I'm going to take it out to get ready to plate this amazing meal. So we'll take 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces of lettuce. Take them out. We're gonna add some of the dressing, parmesan cheese, and we're gonna put some croutons with a touch of extra anchovies. So here you go. This is the real Caesar salad. I hope you will love it and you will enjoy it as much as I do. The shiitake mushrooms, the oyster mushrooms, beautiful prosciutto, some persil, and of course, some parmesan cheese. Don't be shy, go well with the parmesan cheese. So here is our pasta. It's ready, it's plated. Please sit down and enjoy this meal that we did together. Have a great day, a great dinner. I look forward to see you on our next mission. Please send your comments and subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like what we did and cooked today. Thank you very much.